Hello student, today we are going to start our another chapter, light. So what is light? Student, light is a source of energy. We cannot see light if we are in space. Why? Because in space there is no atmosphere, there is no dust particles, so there will be no scattering of light. Thus, we are not able to see light in space. But on Earth, we have atmosphere, we have dust particles in the air. So because of this, the light is scattered, reflected in different angles, so we are able to see light. So there are two sources of light. One is natural and another one is man-made, human-made. In natural source of light, we can give example of sun, stars. They give their light naturally. But in human or man-made, we can give example of like candle, bulb, torch, etc. So these are the man-made, human-made source of light. So the question is, how light travel? And here we have answer. The light travel in straight line. Light travel in straight line. And because of this straight line travel by the light, path taken by the light, we get shadow. How the shadow form? Because when the light travel in straight path, if any object which stop the light, and behind that object we have the shadow. Okay, so the light consists of rays. So like this we can represent one ray. Okay, and this arrow show the direction of light, and when many rays combine together, they are known as beam of light. A ray of light and a beam of light. Now, this beam of light may be parallel to each other, they may be parallel, they may be converging to each other, and they may be divergent or diverging from each other. So like this, a beam of light travel. Now when a beam of light or ray of light or ray travel, and when it fall on an object, that beam of light will be reflected back. When beam of light travel and it when fall on an object, it reflected back. So amount of reflected light depend upon the surface on which it falls. So there is two type of reflection on the depend upon the surface type of reflection. The first one is regular reflection, and second is irregular reflection. So what a regular reflection? When a beam of light fall on a very smooth plain surface, all light fell down will reflect back in the same angle at which they fall. This is known as regular reflection. But if the light fell down on an irregular surface, uneven surface, so beam of light will scatter in different angles. This is known as irregular reflection.